Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect chest to a hopper in Minecraft. So first of all, the requirements are basically a chest and a hopper. Now as you can see, the hopper to connect it to a chest, you can connect it very much easily. You only need to put it one of the sides of the chest. But there is a thing. When you try to click or right click the chest, whenever you try it from the right or from the sides, it will open. So how can we get over that? You are simply gonna need to click on shift, so you are crouching, and then press right click whenever you want the hopper to be connected to the chest. For example, for me, I'm gonna put it from the behind, and as you can see, the hopper is linked now to the chest. Now let's test it out by simply throwing an item in the hopper. So let's throw this pickaxe, and now we should find it in the chest, as you can see right here. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this.